Hi, Assalamualaikum guys. So we meet again for this week, another week for our lab, CSC 134 lab. So today I would like to continue from the last week lab, which is we are still in lab Microsoft Word. Okay, we are still in lab Microsoft Word. So today I would like to introduce you about the table. So when we talk about the table, it's not about the table that you eat on that. No, bukan meja makan awak. No. When we talk about the table, kita panggil dia sebagai jadual. Okay, kita akan buat jadual hari ni. Okay, so kita akan buat jadual hari ni. Just jadual sahaja. Okay, jadual di dalam Microsoft Word, we call it as a table. Okay guys, okay, before I start to show you how to create a table, let me close my video first. Okay Gaba, we meet again at the last class nanti. Bye bye.
Okay, to create a table, first of course you need to open your Microsoft Word. Okay, how to open your Microsoft Word? As usual, okay, you run a search ataupun just search dekat all programs. And then type the keyword of Word and then just click and then you can see your Microsoft Word. Okay, this is my screen. To insert or to create a table, of course you need to insert table lah. Okay, just go to here, insert, and then you can see many things that you can insert. Okay, kalau dekat first video hari tu, we insert some pictures, we insert shapes. Okay, yang ni just pergi dekat table. Then you just click. Okay, there are many ways to insert a table, but you can just simply highlight how many rows and columns you want dekat awak punya table. So row tu adalah yang melintang, columns yang menegak. Okay, so this one is column. Okay, ada banyak columns and one row. Kalau you select ke bawah, you akan add multiple rows. Okay, kalau you tak nak highlight, you can specify here insert table. So you can specify how many columns and how many rows that you want to add or you want to create. Okay, let us just leave it like this. Okay, we have 5 columns here and 2 rows. Just click OK. Now we have our table created. So it is easy, right? Okay, next what we are going to do is we will add some data here. Actually I already have data. Let me show to you. Okay, I'll show you my screen, whole screen. Okay, so I have data that I already downloaded from the internet, so I will share this with you. So these are all the data that we have. So sebenarnya if you want to type in, okay, boleh juga. Okay, for example we have here order date, region, representative, item, units and unit cost. So just type je kat sini. Order date, we have region, and then we have representative, okay, and then we have item, unit and unit cost. Now sekarang ni kita kena tambah column sebab tak cukup satu. So how can we add some more column? Okay, just nampak tak saya punya cursor yang bergerak ni, cursor ni yang arrow ni. Okay, just go to this line. Okay, nampak tak ada simbol tambah, just click there dan dia automatically will add column there. Okay, so this one is the unit cost, right? Unit cost. Okay, so since this is the title, we want this row dia punya color lain. Okay, so actually, okay, nampak tak when I highlight it or when I click this table, dia akan keluar bentuk design. So you can choose from here. There are many design that you can try. Okay, macam ni. So it's up to you, whatever design that you want. Okay, yang ni ke mana lagi. But for me, I just want to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, So I won't use any design, but I want to add some shading. So kita colourkan kita punya table tu lah. Add some shading. Macam cantik je kan. Alright. So this is the shading. Maksudnya kita tambah colour dekat dalam cell, and then kita letak dekat tengah-tengah. So that's all. So how can we adjust the text color? Macam biasalah dekat sini, and then you can adjust bold ke, you want to make it italic, or you want to make it all in capital letters, just use this one, uppercase. Right? So for our table, we want to adjust the height of our table. So how can we adjust the height? Okay, just go here, right click, and then go to table properties. After we go to table properties, we go to row. Dia dah automatic kat sini dah. Okay, we want to specify height. Make it 5, too big. Okay, you can adjust it back. 5 is too big, and then we will make it 1. Okay, so if you select only the first row will be affected. But if you want to change the height for all of your cells, okay, just highlight semua, right click, go back to here, table properties, and then you will specify height. Berapa tadi? 1 So after this, if you add some more row, dia punya besar cell dia is the same. Okay, so how can we add more rows beside dekat table ni? Okay, first ada dua cara tau. First, you can just go here and then tambah, or pergi dekat the last column dan you enter tab. Dan lagi satu, so 3 ways. Ataupun click outside the table and then just click enter. So that is how you can add more rows to your table. Okay, now since kita dah besarkan dia punya cell kan, cell ni what is cell? Cell is satu kotak ni kita panggil dia sebagai cell. Okay, now we want to adjust so that this text will be in the middle of the box. Macam mana nak buat? Just right click, go to table properties, go to cell. Okay, make it center. Okay, can you see? Dia automatic akan duduk dekat tengah-tengah. Alright, now we want to letak semua data dekat dalam ni. But then since we already have the data, the sample, so we are going to copy and paste all the data dekat dalam ni. Now, pergi dekat this one, kita cuba. We will highlight semua ni. Okay, highlight, right click, copy. Now, right click, paste. Tak jadi. Okay, kenapa? Okay, let's undo. Cuba kalau highlight semua. Okay, apa beza tadi dengan yang ni? Alright, so sebab tadi it means that you want to copy only in this cell. Okay, kalau you select the first row, dia akan copy dekat first row je lah, satu je. How about if we select all and then we paste, baru dia akan masuk semua. Okay, so this one, if you already have table, okay, you punya table mesti sama dengan dia punya row mesti sama dengan sampel yang you nak copy tadi. So this one dia ada 43 rows. Okay, 43 rows. Okay, so let us just tambah je row banyak-banyak. Tambah je dulu. Okay, kita buat 2 pages lah. Okay, now highlight all this and then we paste. Okay, dapat kan? So actually dia punya table supposedly sampai Andrew je. Andrew binder 28. Okay, Andrew binder. Supposedly only until here. Okay, until here. And this one dia dah repeat dah. So we will actually delete this row. So untuk delete row, you can just highlight je semua ni. Okay, sama ada you want to use this cut ataupun just use backspace, hilang. Okay, Saya tunjuk sekali lagi So you highlight, tekan backspace. You cannot tekan delete. Okay, cuba tekan delete. If you delete, you will only delete the data inside the table. Okay, but right now we want to buang semua row ni. We don't want all these boxes. So just use backspace. Okay, cool. Now, okay, I want to view it as multiple pages. Okay. Right now, contohlah, if you want to print out this document later on, this one dia ada dia punya header kan, ataupun dia punya title. Tapi kat sini tak ada title. So how can you make this document, okay, these two pages have the same title? Okay, senang je. What we are going to do here, okay, let's go back to 100% view. Okay, go to this one, highlight the title. And then you right click, go to table properties, go back to row, and then tick this one, repeat as header row at the top of each page. Tekan. And then click OK. Tengok magic. Go back to here. Now we have title for both pages. Okay, the header. Okay, now go back to here. Sama juga, kita nak cantikkan lagi the presentation of our data. So we will make this data semua dekat tengah-tengah. Okay, go back to here, select all, klik je. Klik dekat ni tau, dekat apa nama dia, yang macam simbol tambah tu kan. Klik, nanti dia akan highlight all the data inside your table. Right click and then go to table properties, go back to cell, and then use this alignment center. Alright, just click OK. Kan cantik tu? Okay, now dah cantik dah kan. If you want to make all your data center semuanya, okay, since this is actually the data about count of sales. So untuk sales punya data, usually we want to calculate the total cost. Okay, we have the unit here. Okay, this one is unit and this one is the unit cost. So how can we calculate the total cost of this item? So I would like to share with you how can we do some mathematical calculation inside our table. Okay, it is just like an Excel. But if you have a more complex calculation, please do it in Excel. Okay, sebab dia ada limitation in this Microsoft Word. Okay, in order to do that, first of all, okay, kita akan tambahkan one more column here, right? And then name this column as the total cost. Alright. So what we are going to do here is we want to do product. Okay, between these two cells. Okay. So total cost dia akan jadi 95 units times $1.99. How can we do the calculation? Okay, just click inside the cell and then we will go to this one, layout. You can find formula here. Okay, so just click the formula. You have several functions there. Okay, we have the ABSN, average, count. Okay, yang ni adalah dia punya default. Okay, the sum left, meaning that it will sum all the numbers yang ada dekat dalam cell sebelah kiri. Okay, so for this one we want to multiply the unit and the unit cost. So we are going to use this function product. Okay, just highlight this all first and then delete, go to product. Okay, so because we want to multiply the numbers dekat bahagian left side dia, so you just type in left. Okay, L-E-F-T, left, then click OK. Now you can see 95 times 1.99 is 189.05. Okay, try to calculate in your calculator kalau you tak percaya dengan saya lah. Okay, in this Microsoft Word, dia tak sama macam Excel where you can just drag down. Jadi dia akan totally ikut what is the formula above. So dekat Word, you need to do it one by one. Sebab tu saya kata, if you have more complex calculation, you have more data, okay, you cannot use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word ni untuk simple calculation sahaja. Okay, next, if we have like this one, too many data, tapi nak buat dalam Word juga, what you can do is, okay, selain daripada you go back to here, you can just tekan F4. Okay, F4 dekat you punya keyboard tu, just tekan. Boleh tak agak-agak? Okay, for me I can just tekan F4. Okay, tekan F4 for each of this cell. So dia akan automatically follow formula yang kita dah masukkan tadi. Okay, so boleh buat sampai bawah. But for the purpose of this video, sebab saya nak tunjukkan yang macam mana cara je. Okay, so we are going to delete all of this. Delete. Okay, highlight all and then backspace. This one kita nak adjust dia, go back to table properties and then make it center. Okay, now dah cantik sikit kan? Okay, and then after we do this total cost, now we want to know all the total of this one. Berapa cost yang dikeluarkan sepanjang apa ni? Bulan 1, bulan 2, bulan 3, bulan 4. Okay, now we are going to add one more row and then we are going to type in here total, but then kita nak ada 2 kolom je, so total dia akan jadi total and the numbers lah. Okay, so we want to merge. Okay, merge ni ialah you combine all your cell together. So highlight all of this, tinggalkan satu cell je. Okay, highlight and then you right click, go to merge. Okay, tengok kan dah jadi satu. Okay, so this one we want to use summation. So go back to layout, go to formula. Okay, can you see the sum above? Dia dah tahu dah kat atas ni ada something. Okay, so when you click the formula, Word ni dia dah bagi tahu dah what can you do. Right, so just click OK. See? So all of this, the total is 2524.01. So this one kita nak bagi nampak cantik sikit the presentation of our data. So we will add some shading here. Okay, letaklah warna cerah sikit. Okay, we have done with our calculation. How about suddenly you want to add some more data in your table? Okay, for example like this. Enter here, we will copy the data above, then Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Ctrl C is for copy, Ctrl V is for paste. Okay, yang ni kita buat calculation one more time. Okay, use product. Okay, this one, okay, product left. Okay, sama lah because we copy it from above. Right now, when you add some more data, dekat bawah ni dia takkan automatically calculated. So what you need to do is you must right click and then choose update field. Baru dia akan automatically update your data. So that's all for calculations. And after this, I will show you how can you sort your data. Okay, now I want to share with you how can we sort our data. Sort maksudnya kita nak susun cantik-cantik ikut abjad. Okay, biasanya untuk nama ke this one, we want to sort it based on region. So I will show you how. Before that, we need to actually delete this one first because we don't want this row to be affected. So highlight and click backspace. I'm sorry, jangan klik delete. Okay, dia delete, dia akan delete your data only. Okay, now we have a region, representative, item, unit. Okay, this one I want to sort it by region first. Okay, by right, this data actually is ordered by order date. Okay, kat sini boleh nampakkan the January, February, March and also April. So I want to change it so that this data is ordered by a region. So nampak tak saya punya cursor? Cursor ni anak panah ni, nampak yang putih berjalan. Okay, kita bawa dia naik atas, automatically this arrow turns into black. Okay, So bawa dia betul-betul atas region. Now you can click go to layout here. Okay, sama dekat tempat formula tadi kan. But now we want to go to sort. Okay, dia dah automatically sort by region. Okay, you can actually sort it as ascending or descending. Ascending means from A to Z. Okay, descending is from Z to A. Dia terbalik. Okay, so you want to choose this one, ascending, and then just click OK. Now you can see, okay, dia start dengan central because central is huruf yang paling dekat dengan A. Okay, C, and then we have the east, E, and then we have the west, W. How about if you want to sort by 2 columns? Can. Okay, just highlight, for example, these 2 columns. Okay, go back to here, layout, and then go to sort here. Okay, you can choose here. For example, wrap first. Wrap maksudnya awak nak based on representative first. Nama dia A sampai Z dekat bahagian wrap ni. And then baru dekat region. Also can. Okay, for example, kita main-main kat sini. Representative ni kita letak descending. Okay, and then the region is ascending. Oh, terbalik lah. This one is ascending and the region is descending. Okay, klik OK. Tengok data kita. Okay. So dia jadi macam tu. Can see? Sebab dia akan sort data bahagian wrap dulu. So A, G, J, lepas tu central. J, east. And then lepas tu K, central balik. So dia akan dekat sini lah. From A to Z. Tapi kalau yang tadi lagi better lah, based on region. Macam kita nak sort, okay, Selangor, sort Kedah, kita tak sort by daerah kan. Kita sort dulu dekat bahagian negeri. Okay, so that is how can we sort the data inside the table. And you just jangan panic, okay. In this word, when you sort the data, actually all the data dia akan automatically sorted based on the data that you want to sort. Boleh faham ke? Kalau table, kalau in Excel, you need to expand the selection. But in Word, automatically all the data dia akan follow the columns that you want to be sorted. Okay. So I think
Okay, itulah tadi semua mengenai table. Okay, so saya harap awak faham, and don't forget to scan this QR code. Okay, don't forget because this is your attendance. So that's all for today. Assalamualaikum guys. Bye.